Hi guys, long time no see. Today, we'll be solving a looks-fam MSTE problem or looks familiar MSTE problem. Okay, let's solve our first problem. This is from November 2021 board exam MSTE. To compress 2.8 cubic meter of free air per minute from atmospheric 0.101 Newton per square millimeter to 0.7 Newton per square millimeter, indicated on the gauge 8.01 bar absolute, given that the formula theoretical power equals 10 cube times 0.101 times V1 over 60 logarithm of P2 over 0.101 to the base E. Letter A, 11.3 kilowatts or 7.9 HP. B, 7.9 kilowatts or 11.3 HP. C, 9.7 kilowatts or 13.1 HP. Letter D, 13.1 kilowatts or 9.7 HP. It is normal na magulat ka. Nagulat nga. It is normal na magulat ka kapag nakakita ka ng formula. Okay? Halo yan eh. Mixed emotions. Pwedeng nagulat ka or pwedeng natuwa ka kasi may binigay na formula. Okay? The problem is kapag hindi mo alam kung ano yung mga inputs na ilalagay natin doon. Okay? That is the trend for our CE board exam. Okay? Mostly sa problems ng MSTE, binibigay yung problem, binibigay din yung formula, and then hindi mo alam kung para saan. Kung saan gagamitin, kung ano yung parameters na itong V1, may P2, okay? It is a matter of trial and error. Kaya maganda naman dito kapag naka-input ka, okay? Naka-input ka na sa tingin mo, siya si V1, siya si P2, okay? Then lumabas siya sa choices, hindi na pinag-iisipan yung other choices. Okay, let's solve. Let's try to solve. Unahin natin i-solve. Okay, hulaan natin or predict natin kung ano si P2 to si V1. Si P2, baka siya si pressure. Okay, malamang sa malamang, baka siya si pressure. So, P2. Or pressure, may binigay sa ating pressure. That is 8.01 bar. Okay? Kasi hindi natin sinasolve by bar, dapat in Pascal. We have conversion. Okay? May conversion tayo for bar. We have, for every 1 bar, we have 100 kilopascal. Okay, this is equal to 801 kilopascal. And then, gawin natin siyang megapascal. Okay, usog tayo ng 3 decimal places. 1, 2, 3. Okay, megapascal, 0.801 megapascal. And then, for the power, itong V1. Okay, V1. Baka ito na si 2.8 meter cube. ng free air per minute. Okay? Free air per minute. Parang speed yung ating binibigay. We have power. So, solve na natin yung power. We have 10 cube times 0.101. Sundan lang natin si formula. Ay, pag may binigyan na formula class, okay, sundin lang natin. Times, this is V1, 2.8. We have 2.8 divided by 60 logarithm of 0.801 over 0.101. Then to the base E. Solve natin yan. Bigyan ko kayo ng pagkakataon para i-solve. Pwede nyo i-pause. And then play nyo rin after. Power is equal to 9.76 kilonewton. Baka letter C na yan. Okay? Check muna natin kung tama yung conversion ng 13.1 HP. We have, for every 1 HP, you have 0.746 kilowatts. This is kilowatts. Okay? Cancel kilowatts. We have 13.1 HP. Ibig sabihin, tama yung sagot natin na itong 9.76 kilowatts and 13.1 HP. That is letter C. Okay? Ang kinagandahan sa ating MSTE, itong mga given na to, pwede mo yan i-backsolve. Okay? Unlike sa ating PSAT, hindi yan nababaksolve. Okay, baka mamaya matrap tayo ni Ma'am. We have, for letter A, try natin tong 11.3, convert natin into HP. 11.3 kilowatts times natin sa for every 1 HP, we have 0.746 kilowatts. Ang lalabas dito ay 15.15. Okay? 15.15. Doon pa lang, alam mo na si A ay X. For letter B, we have 7.9 kilowatts times for every 1 HP, 0.746 kilowatts equal, this is 5.9 HP. So, 11.3 siya dito sa given. X na ulit yan. Try naman natin tong D. This is 13.1 kilowatts times 1 HP, 0.746 kilowatts. We have 17.6 HP. Okay, 17.6 HP. D is wrong. Therefore, try natin tong C. Ito yan. Okay, for this problem, the answer is 9.7 kilowatts or 13.1 HP. Mahalaga na marunong tayo mag-observe ng ating mga given and also mag-observe ng ating mga choices. Hello. Next problem for our looks familiar MSTE problem, we have from April 2023 CE licensure exam. To compress 2.8 cubic meter of free air per minute from atmospheric pressure 0.05 Newton per millimeter squared to absolute pressure 0.801 Newton per millimeter squared. Requires a compressor with a power value of theoretical power equals 10 cube times 0.05 times V1 over 60 logarithmic or logarithm of P2 over P1 to the base E. Okay, let's try to solve. This is a lot easier because binigay na sa atin lahat ng given and wala tayo dapat ikalit. To solve this, ito yung given natin. V1 natin, that is 2.8. And then, ito yung mga pressure natin. Kasi hindi tayo sigurado kung sino si P2, sino rin si P1. Alam lang natin na pressure sila. Okay? Since may word na to dito, etong 0.801, this will be your P2. And this is your P1. Let's solve. Our power equal to 10 cubed times 0.05 times yung V1 natin, we have 2.8 divided by 60. Logarithm of P2, we have 0.801 over 0.05 to the base E. Solving this, pwede nyo i-pause and then balikan ninyo, try nyo muna siyang i-calculate and then i-verify natin kung tama. We have, this is 6.47 kilowatts. That is letter A or C. Medyo nakakalito siya. So, iwasan nating maduling. I-double check natin. 6. And this is 4. And then this is 7 kilowatts. Okay? 6.47 kilowatts. That is our final answer. Hi guys! Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and ring the notification bell para magkaroon kayo ng mga tips on how to survive engineering.